Now let's get these YouTube videos started.
Today we are talking about how to pick your niche. I'm gonna show you how I picked mine, give you tons of tips and tricks, things that you can do to help narrow down exactly what you're good at, what you really wanna do, and also how you can provide valuable content to your viewers. If you don't know, my name is Quincy and I help you conquer this social media thing with tips and tricks, things to help you succeed. I'm also gonna show you what happened when I narrowed down and picked my niche and focused on a particular thing and how my views started skyrocketing. So make sure you stick around to the end. I have some things I wanna show you, and I'm also gonna be asking you to vote on which video I should upload next. So without further ado, let's get into it. So how do you pick your niche? For one, you might not even know what a niche is. So what is a niche? A niche is your main thing. What is the main thing that you are wanting to create content about? So an example would be photography, beauty, dance, how-to tutorials. These are niches. Now, I'm not gonna lie, when I first started YouTube, I was just uploading random content, trying to see what people were going to view, and not necessarily what was gonna go viral, but just to see what people were gonna like and what they were gonna comment on. And that's one thing that can kind of hurt you if you're just uploading random content. If someone is going to subscribe to your YouTube channel, they're gonna look at your content and they're gonna be unsure on if they should subscribe because you have all of this random content. You have this type, this topic, this topic, this topic, and they're not really gonna be sure, okay, should I subscribe? Maybe I'll check back on their video in a couple of weeks. But if you have one particular niche, all photography tips, all camera related, or if it's all video editing, or if it's try not to laugh challenges, but they're all videos on try not to laugh and comedy videos, and it's all in the same category, then they're gonna be like, oh man, I wanna see more of this. Me personally, I finally chose to niche down about 3 months ago. So you gotta stick around to see what happened when I finally decided to pick a niche rather than just upload random content. All of your videos on YouTube kind of need to work hand in hand. They need to be able to complement each other. So if I make a video on how to learn dance moves, my other video might be the best shoes to wear when doing dance. So it's a video that can complement each other. If I made a video on how to draw and drawing tips, my other video or my next video might be on the best pencils and colors to use or paper to use for drawing. So first thing, what are you good at? What content can you create day after day, week after week, year after year, and not be bored? You just love doing it. What is that content? Be thinking of that. Me personally, I like organizing, speaking. I do love computers. I love social media. I love photography. I love media. And the niche that I finally chose was social media tips. Social media tips and tricks. Because under social media, there could be Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. I can just hop around in different areas. Maybe the best lighting for your videos or what cameras to use. Now you will see as you browse my YouTube channel, I was able to create a video right here called new TikTok feature called Stitch and how to use it. I found a question that I'm sure other people were asking, but yet there was no content for it. There was a hot feature that rolled out and then 3 weeks later it was gone, but the feature was awesome. And so I created a video on it, not knowing that when you type it up on Google and YouTube, new feature called Stitch, TikTok or TikTok feature, or how to use Stitch, that my video is one of the 3 or one of the 2 that pops up and the one that has the highest views right now. It shocked me, and so I realized, let me piggyback off of this and how can I tie other things into this, because I like doing social media. I like being on TikTok. I also like graphics. I like doing thumbnails, and if you look at this thumbnail right here, I use PicMonkey, and I'll probably put a link in the description for PicMonkey. I like cameras. I like being in front of the camera, helping people out and providing things of value. So that's how I was able to niche down, and from that you will see that video has 35,000 views. When Stitch disappeared, I actually waited because I was kind of concerned where Stitch went, but then I realized, oh man, I know I'm not the only one asking about it. Let me create a video. And so I created a video, what happened to Stitch, and 10,000 views. I also want to tell you that what I'm good at and what you like to do are 2 different things. What you're good at is the things that you get feedback on. Man, you're an awesome singer. Man, you're an awesome football player. Man, you can rap so cool. You can sing so well. You put those clothes together well. These are things that people give you feedback on, and so you know that you're good at that. What you like to do can be something totally different from what you're good at. What you like to do is, I like going fishing. I like taking pictures of people. I like doing people's hair. So what you're good at and what you like to do are two different things. So in finding your niche, you need to find out what you're good at. I hope that makes sense. It's where what you're good at and what you like to do merge together. And then we find my niche, which is social media tips. And then we involve being on camera, being in front of the screen, video editing. They merge together. Also, tags are everything. You want to make sure you search for the best tags to use and the best title to use. I recommend going to YouTube and typing in something that you want to make a video about first. That way you can see if it's even being searched. Don't create a video and then try to go title it. And so you want to be the first to hop on a topic that hasn't yet been saturated on YouTube. Those are the things you want to tackle. Keep in mind, who do you want to target? Are you targeting elementary kids, teens, college students, adults, people that are just starting out YouTube? Grab a paper, write down everything that you think your audience will be asking or are going to ask in the video that you are creating. That way you can answer those things or do your research and try to come up with what will help them while they're watching the video, so that they can leave knowing that, man, this video helped me out a lot. So hey guys, I'm here to help you out, and right now I would love for you to vote on what video you think I should upload next. I have content ready to go. Should it be, and I want you to comment below, should it be what to do when you have no views on TikTok, or what would I do if I had 100 subscribers on YouTube? Let me know right now, and hey, hopefully we can get whichever video you would like to see. Also, if you would like to be featured as the comment winner, make sure you leave a comment. Let me know your feedback on this video, how it helped you, and if you already know what your niche is. If you know what your niche is, or you think you know what you're going to start narrowing down and focusing on, let me know. I would love to see what others are going to start making videos about, or what they're going to start focusing their content about. All right guys, so that's it. If you need to rewatch the video, go ahead and rewatch it, take some notes, slow it down, and I'm about to start making YouTube videos as well to show those that are upcoming and brand new to YouTube, things that you can do, and how I got from 0 to 1,500 subscribers. All right, God bless, and I'll talk with you soon.